Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a glow text animation like this in After Effects. No plugins, it's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition, I'll make it full HD, frame rate 60 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to tools and text and type your text. Okay, press S to increase it, but first I want to add this anchor point into the middle, so I'll go to anchor point, control and double click and see. Then I'll increase it. Okay, like this. Then I'll go to align to put this text into the middle, here and here. If you don't see a line, you can go to window and check a line from here. Okay, and that's all. Now I don't need any fill here, so I'll go to no fill color and click. Okay, yeah. Okay, now I'll go to my text, open text, and go to animate and I'll add opacity. Then I'll go to opacity and I'll change opacity to 0. Then I'll go to range selector and offset. Alt click and I'll type wiggle brackets and I'll type between brackets 25 comma 50. Okay, and let me see. Yeah, very good. Now I'll go few frames, maybe 1 second and 20, and I'll go to edit and split layer. Okay, now I'll go here and open smoke tool or your text and I'll remove animator. Okay, and let me go to text here and press here Control A to add fill like this. Okay, yeah. Okay, let me pull this layer like this and I'll go to first frame on this layer like this, press T for opacity and I'll change it to 0. Keyframe. Okay, few frames forward and change it to 100. Again I'll do this 0 100. Then I can go here Control C to copy, move few forward, few frames forward and Control D again, Control V, sorry, Control V, Control V again, Control V again. Okay, let me see. Yeah, not bad. Okay, now select these two layers, right click and pre-compose and I'll name it text. Press OK. And see. Okay, now I'll go to Effect, Stylize and Glow. Okay, let me increase glow radius and also intensity and again Control D to copy, but now let me decrease radius and opacity. Yeah, yes. Now Control D to copy and go to first one, and I'll add 3D. Press R and go to X rotation, and I'll change it to -85 and position Z something like this. Then I'll go to effects and presets, and I'll type Gaussian blur. Okay, to add blur here, so increase. Okay, okay, maybe, yeah. And let me see. Okay, now I'll add a null object, and I'll parent text 1 and 2. Let me name it text 2. Okay, I'll parent text 1 and 2 to with null object. Okay, then I'll go to first frame, press S, also press Shift R. Okay, go to first frame, and or let me first go here few frames forward and keyframe from both. Then I'll go to first frame, and I'll press I'll increase scale like this. Also I'll increase rotation and see again. Okay, I think it's cool. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and bye bye.